Top 7 Coffee Producing and Manufacturing Countries. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverage globally with a rich history that spans centuries. The cultivation and manufacturing of coffee involves a complex and fascinating journey from the lush coffee plantations to the carefully roasted beans that eventually make their way into cups around the world. Coffee growing regions and the various steps involved in the coffee manufacturing process. Origins of coffee cultivation. Coffee has its roots in the ancient coffee forests of Ethiopia, where legend has it that a 9th century goat herder named Kaldi discovered the stimulating effects of coffee beans. The knowledge of coffee's invigorating properties spread to the Arabian Peninsula, leading to the establishment of the first coffee plantations in Yemen during the 15th century. From there, coffee cultivation expanded to other regions, eventually reaching India, Indonesia, and the Caribbean. Major coffee-growing regions are Latin America, Africa, and Asia. 1. Brazil. This is the largest producer of coffee globally. Brazil plays a central role in the coffee industry. The country's diverse climate and vast landscapes contribute to the cultivation of various coffee varieties, with notable regions including Minas Gerais and São Paulo. 2. Colombia. It is renowned for its high-quality Arabica coffee. Coffee regions such as Huila and Antioquia are characterized by high altitudes and volcanic soil. Colombian coffee is often associated with a well-balanced flavor profile and a hint of acidity. 3. Central America. Countries like Guatemala, Costa Rica, and Honduras are significant players in the coffee industry. The volcanic soils and ideal altitudes in these regions create optimal conditions for growing specialty Arabica beans. 4. Ethiopia. The birthplace of coffee, Ethiopia boasts a rich coffee culture with diverse varieties such as Yirgacheffe and Sidamo. Ethiopian coffees are known for their unique and complex flavor profiles, often featuring floral and fruity notes. 5. Kenya. With high-altitude regions like Nyeri and Kirinyaga, Kenya produces high-quality Arabica beans. Kenyan coffees are celebrated for their bright acidity and bold flavors and making them prized among coffee enthusiasts. 6. Vietnam. As a major producer of Robusta coffee, Vietnam has gained prominence in the coffee industry. Robusta beans, known for their bold and earthy flavors, thrive in Vietnam's climate, contributing to the country's position as a key player in global coffee production. 7. Indonesia. Sumatra and Java are well-known coffee-producing regions in Indonesia. The country is recognized for its unique processing methods, such as wet hulling, which imparts distinct characteristics to the coffee beans. Coffee planting and harvesting. Varieties of coffee. The two primary species of coffee cultivated for commercial purposes are Arabica and Robusta. Arabica is known for its nuanced flavors and is grown at higher altitudes, while Robusta is hardier and often preferred for its bold, strong taste. Coffee plantation layout. Coffee plantations are carefully designed to optimize sunlight, shade, and airflow. The spacing of coffee plants and the arrangement of shade trees impact the growth and quality of the beans. Coffee harvesting. Coffee cherries are typically harvested once they reach peak ripeness. In regions with distinct seasons, such as Central America, the harvest season occurs once a year. In contrast, countries near the equator may experience continuous, year-round harvests. Coffee processing. Wet processing. This method involves removing the pulp from the coffee cherries immediately after harvesting. The beans are then fermented to remove the mucilage before being washed and dried. Wet processing is often favored for producing coffees with bright acidity and clean flavors. Dry processing. In this method, the whole cherries are laid out to dry in the sun before the beans are extracted. Dry processing is known for imparting a fuller body and fruity, wine-like notes to the coffee. This method is often used in regions with limited access to water. Coffee milling and sorting. After the drying process, the coffee beans go through milling, where the outer layers are removed to reveal the green coffee beans. These beans undergo further sorting to eliminate defects and ensure a consistent quality. Coffee manufacturing and processing. Coffee roasting. The green coffee beans are subjected to roasting, a critical step that transforms them into the flavorful, aromatic beans we associate with coffee. Roasting temperatures and times vary, influencing the final taste profile. Light roasts tend to preserve the nuanced flavors, while dark roasts bring out richer, smokier notes. Coffee grinding. Once roasted coffee beans are ground to the desired consistency based on the brewing method. Coarser grinds are suitable for methods like French press, and finer grinds are used for espresso. The grind size impacts the extraction process and, consequently, the flavor of the brewed coffee. Coffee brewing. Coffee can be brewed using various methods, including drip brewing, espresso, pour-over, and French press. Each method extracts flavors differently, resulting in a diverse range of coffee experiences. Factors such as water temperature, brew time, and coffee-to-water ratio further influence the final cup. Coffee packaging and distribution. The final step in coffee manufacturing involves packaging the roasted and ground coffee for distribution. Coffee packaging is designed to preserve freshness by preventing exposure to air and light. The coffee is distributed to local markets, cafes, and international buyers, connecting coffee-producing regions with consumers worldwide. Challenges and sustainability in coffee industry. Coffee cultivation faces several challenges, including climate change, pests, and economic issues. The coffee industry has been actively addressing sustainability concerns, with initiatives promoting fair trade practices, environmental conservation, and social responsibility. Sustainable practices aim to ensure the longevity of coffee production while fostering the well-being of the communities involved in the coffee supply chain. Roasted coffee beans ready for packing. The journey of coffee from cultivation to manufacturing is a captivating narrative that spans continents and cultures. The diverse landscapes, climates, and processing methods contribute to the rich tapestry of flavors that coffee enthusiasts savor worldwide. As the global demand for high-quality coffee continues to rise, the industry faces the dual challenge of meeting consumer expectations while prioritizing sustainable and ethical practices. Coffee is a testament to the interconnectedness of the global economy and the intricate balance required to cultivate and deliver this beloved beverage to coffee cups everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching.